Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to pull off this awesome deep scratch look with just a few drugstore makeup pencils and some fresh scab blood. For this technique, we'll be starting off with a lip liner pencil that's just a little bit redder than your actual skin tone. So in my case, I'm using NYX Whipped Caviar. At first, I'm starting to plan out the wound by going in lightly and marking where I want the scratches to go. Then I go back in and make the lines wider and darker before blending them all out into the surrounding skin. What this does is make the scratched area look inflamed and irritated. And once we're done with that, we can take a brighter red lip liner and go over the same mark. We'll take that and line the wound again, but this time keeping closer to the center of the actual scratch. Next, for our final layer before the blood, we're going to take a sharpened black-brown eyebrow pencil and use it to put a thin dark line down the center of the scratch. And this will add a lot of depth and make the scratch look much more realistic. Finally, for the most fun part of any special effects look, the fake blood. And in this case, I'm using fresh Scab, which you can find in almost any Halloween store, or just buy it online. Because for this, we're doing thin scars, I'm using the dull end of a needle to tap on the fake blood. Dull end, people. I know it's tempting to try to use the thin end to make tiny scars, but remember, we want to keep these as fake scars. Don't hurt yourself, you goobers. Safety first. Just like ogres and onions, special effects are full of layers. No wound or skin tone or anything in nature is ever just a single layer. So by adding these different shades of red and black, it really helps sell the idea that this is a real wound. Here you can see the scratch on the left has just the first two colors, while the right has the black pencil as well. When I put the blood on the scratch with the pencil, you can see that it has a much deeper and more realistic look than the one without. Now that the explanation is out of the way, you're ready to go explore. You could use it to enjoy a festive holiday, or celebrate your favorite fandom, or anything else. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next.